What's up everyone, Hardcore RC here again. Spoke to my son and he said I can take his Notorious out, so I thought I'd do a quick video with the new Turnigy Rapid hard cases in it and see how she runs. So this is my son's Notorious, fairly standard, few upgrades to it. We've got the T-bone racing front bumper on it. I've just installed the M2C chassis braces, front and rear. We've got a Castle fan on it and it's running currently a 12 tooth pinion. I've also got the Fast Tracks servo mount and the DS3225MG servo in there. The Arrma servo died on us, so we've put one of these on. Link to this is in the description down below. I think they run at about £11 from Banggood. Very good servos, 25 kilos. Never had an issue with them as the Arrma servos are going. Swapping those out and put them in auto trucks. And then spin around and we can see, obviously we've got the new Turnigy Rapid hard case packs in there, two of them running 6S. They do fit in nicely. You just have to raise this up a little bit, push the little tab in down below, raise it up a bit, and they fit in nicely. It's nice the way the wires can come out the back here as well, so sitting them on top of each other, the wires aren't getting in the way of each other. Before we wrap it all up, I'll just show you how balanced they are at the moment. So here's the first pack. Cell 1 is at 4.194 volts, cell 2 is at 4.19 volts, and cell 3 is 4.187 volts. If we do between the highest and the lowest, it's balanced to 0.007 volts. Here's the other pack running at cell 1 4.194, cell 2 4.198, and cell 3 4.197. Difference between the highest and the lowest is 0.005 volts. So again, extremely well balanced. Okay guys, we're out here now with the Notorious. Give it a quick run on the new Hobbyking Turnigy Rapid 3S ×2 140c 5500mAh packs, fitting nicely in there. We will reset the speed, see what we get out of her. So let's give it a go. Yep, she's punchy. Let's see what speeds we can get out of her. She's certainly got some punch. I'm guessing I'm going to keep trouble having the... Ooh. Couldn't quite get full throttle on before we hit the end of the field, but give it another go. Oh, I can pull this thing can pull wheelies on demand. So I mean, even more so than the Typhoon. I mean, this is bonkers. I could probably wheelie the whole pitch. Definitely got some punch, these packs. I don't think we can do a top speed run with this car really. It's just the short wheelbase. It's keeping that front down is very difficult. We'll give it one more go. Well, let's bring her in and see what sort of speed we got, and then we'll just have some general bashing fun. Okay, 46 miles an hour guys. As I said, it was difficult to keep the front down on this. Hopefully you can see that, but 46 miles an hour. I know it's got more in it, it's not long enough pitch. We're trying to keep this front down, but I'm happy with that. saved it. No. Now, unfortunately, I did take this car out yesterday for a run with these packs in it. The ground was a bit wetter then. It had been raining all day. Unfortunately, my GoPro wasn't set up properly, so I wasn't getting a lot of the footage, unfortunately. But I'll see if I can get any more of it in and edit it into this one. Reason being is purely because it was a bit wetter. I could get the back sliding out and everything. It was a bit more fun. Obviously it's drier today, so it's not sliding around as much, but I do like these packs though. And one more flyby. It's just a wheelie monster on these packs. Yep, she's a beast. These packs are a beast. I need more. I can't wait to get into get out with the boys at the weekend, get to a decent bash spot, see what these packs can really do. But very impressed with them thus far. And in the Typhon, they transformed the Typhon. I mean, I'm not used to driving this Notorious. It's my son's car. I'm more used to my Kratom, which is down at the moment. So I can't compare really, honestly, how these are performing in this truck versus how our other packs are performing. But I'm very happy with the way it's performing. As I said, I mean, I can just pull a wheelie on command, really. I could in the Typhon, which is a longer wheelbase than this, but this is obviously a 6S truck. So yeah, very impressed. Can't wait to get my Typhon back up and running, and really, I'll be able to say definitely how they are now, but I'm impressed enough to say I want more of these. Need to get more before they go out of stock.